My favorite place to buy my camera gear has always been Pictureline in Salt Lake City, Utah. And lately, Pictureline has been dramatically expanding its footprint in the photo community, both online and with a huge addition to their physical retail space.
We actually started construction September of 2021. So since then, we've just been kind of watching everything build up, and we're super excited about it. We're almost there. It's going to be a new storage space, a new warehouse. The education space upstairs is actually a little larger than our current sales floor. So we're excited for it to be a place for events, classes, education, and to be an asset to the photo community there. And basically since the start of Pictureline, we've tried to be an asset in the local community. And so with this new building, we're hoping that that continues.
Of course, Pictureline offers an amazing lineup of Fujifilm cameras and accessories, so when I heard that Fuji was releasing a new X series camera, I had to stop by to check it out. I met up with my friend Jalen to see the new Fujifilm X-H2S. Looking like a smaller version of the GFX100S, which is a great-looking camera, the Fuji X-H2S features an APS-C 26.1 megapixel X-Trans 5 stacked BSI sensor, which is a first for an X series camera. An optional battery grip felt really good in my hands for both horizontal and vertical shooting. We also looked at the new Fujinon XF 18 to 120mm f4 lens, which is a terrific lightweight and versatile lens, perfect for what we wanted to shoot that day. The X-H2S can shoot up to 40 frames per second in electronic shutter mode, and of course the images look incredible. But I was really interested in this camera's video capabilities, so Jalen and I took some time to document some of the construction of Pictureline's new building. The X-H2S can record up to 120 frames per second in 4K, or even 30 frames per second in 6.2K, which meant we could stay back safely from the action and punch in post when we needed to. One thing we were really impressed with is the Ibis system, which provides up to 7 stops of stabilization. We rarely used a tripod, and our shots looked rock steady, even when walking or panning the camera. We were also very impressed with the autofocus with subject detection. Being able to lock in on a variety of subjects, including people, cars, and animals, the camera seems to know just where to focus and stayed focused throughout each shot.
So we're excited to see how far we've come, and we're super excited to see how far we can keep going.
The new Fuji X-H2S was ideal for telling the story of Pictureline's new building reaching completion. The images were sharp and detailed, and the video had that amazing Fujifilm look and color. It got me excited to think of what other stories I could tell with the new Fuji X-H2S.